My name is Arnie and I work with the retail brands here at Havwoods. We are privileged to work with some of the most luxury retail customers around the world and enjoy supporting them with both flooring and cladding products. A timber floor can completely transform the aesthetics and feel of an environment, which is why a number of the brands we work with like to specify unique finishes which best represent their brand identity. What our customers are looking for is a durable floor to stand up to high levels of traffic, and at Havwoods we have a large range of products to support any project. One of the most popular products for the retail clients is the Fendi range. Fendi is a smoked and white oiled board which has a beautiful grey tone to it and is durable while still having a very natural texture. Havwoods is a great place to work. We have a brilliant team here and we all share the same passion for flooring. We're always innovating and we have some great times with the Havwoods bus and the showrooms around the country.